Hi children, hope all are fine. Now here today in this video we will learn about the ratios to percent. Comparing quantities, ratios to percent. So new topic that is now till then we had converted into ratios, comparing quantities through ratios, comparing quantities through using percentage. Now if ratios are given, how we will find out a percentage? Now let us see the example. See here, it's already given there. Example, Reena's mother said to make idlis. You must take 2 part rice and 1 part urad dal. What percentage of such mixture would be rice and what percentage would be urad dal? So what she told, 2 part of rice, that is 2, and 1 part of urad dal. So ratio will be 2 is to 1. 2 is to 1. Now we have to find this ratio into percentage. How we have to find? First, we have to add both the ratios. Numbers of the ratios, that is 2 plus 1. We will get 3. So total parts we will get is 3. Now in the first part, take the first part, that is 2. 2 by 3, we have to find out the percentage. So 2 by 3 into 100. So we will get 66 2 by 3 percentage. So now same like that we have to find the second part, that is 1 by 3 into 100. So we will get 33 1 by 3 percentage. So these are the percentage. We have to find it from the ratio to ratio is, if ratio is given and we have to find out the percentage, you have to use we have to follow like that. Okay, now follow like this. Now the next one is increase or decrease as percentage. So we have to find out if the increase percentage and decrease percentage we have to find out. Let us see with an example. A school team won 6 games this year against 4 games won last year. What is the percent increase? So here what the school had done, school had last year the school had won 4 games. This year the school had won 6 games. So there is an increase. How many increase is there? 6 minus 4. So we will get 2. Increase of number is 2. So percentage increase. If for formula for the increase percentage, to find out the increase percentage is amount of change. Amount of change. So what we got amount of change, that is last year it was 4 and this year it was 6. So total amount of change is 2. So 2 amount of change 2 by original amount or base. Original amount, that is 4. Last year it was 4 and this year it was 6. So 2 it has increased. So 2 by 4 into 100. So we will get the percentage increase. So that is 50. Now same like that, if we have to find out the decrease percentage. So for that, again I am going to explain with the example only. That is, here the question is given that the number of illiterate person in a country is decreased from 150 lakhs to 100 lakhs in 10 years. What is the percentage of decrease? Here, earlier it was, before 10 years, it was 150 lakhs people are illiterate. Now, after 10 years, it had become only 100 lakh peoples are illiterate. So this is decrease. So now we have to find out the percentage of decrease. So what will be the what will be the percentage formula for percentage decrease? That is amount of percentage decrease, that is amount of change divided by original amount into 100. So here same like percentage increase only, but here we will find out the original amount is 50 minus 50. Original amount is 150. Okay, now amount of change. So first we have to find out the amount of change. Amount of change means earlier it was 150. Now it is 100. So we got 50. 50 lakhs. So amount of change is 50 divided by original amount. Original amount is earlier it was 150. So 150 by 150 into 100. So we will get the decrease percentage, that is 33 1 by 3. This way we will find out the increase percentage and decrease percentage. Now another topic is prices related to an item or buying or selling. If, and again with an example, if it is given I bought it for 600. If someone will bought something from the whole market, suppose a person bought something from the whole market, wholesale market. So he bought it for 610, and then he had sold it for, sorry, 600 he bought it from wholesale market, and he sold it for 610. So he got 10 rupees profit. Okay, so cost price here, the how, for which price he had bought, that is actual price is, that is cost price, that will be the cost price, and he sold for 610, that is sold selling price, that will be the selling price. Cost price and selling price. If selling price is more and cost price is less, SP is greater than CP, then it is profit. If SP is less than CP, then it will be loss. Okay. Now, so profit means if selling price is more, then we will get the profit. If selling price is less, then we will be in loss. Now we have to find out the profit and loss percentage. Profit, and how we will calculate the profit and loss percentage. Again with an example. So CP equal to 72 and SP equal to 80. So selling price is 72. A person bought something for 72 and he sold for 80. So we will get 80 minus 72 is profit is SP minus CP. Profit equal to SP minus CP. SP is 80. CP is 72. So profit is 8. Profit is 8. So how we will find out the profit percentage? Profit percentage is profit by CP into 100. Profit we got it 8 by cost price is 72 into 100. So we will get 11 1 by 9 percentage. So this is the profit percentage. In the same way, we have to find out the loss percentage also. If suppose cost price is 120 and he the person he sold it in 100 rupees. So we will get loss equal to cost price minus selling price. So cost price is 120 and selling price is 100. So loss is 20. So we will get is 20. So 20. So loss percentage, how we have to find out the loss percentage? Loss percentage equal to loss is 20 by cost price is 120 into 100. So here we will get 16 by 3 percentage. That is the loss percentage. Next topic is charge given on borrowed money or simple interest. Here, these and all is related to the money. Suppose we want to buy, suppose here it is given one example, that is Sohini said that they were going to buy a new scooter. Mohan asked her whether they had money to buy it. Sohini said her father was going to take a loan from the bank. The money you borrow is known as the. So the father, Sohini's father, which he had bought from the money which he had borrowed from the money is called principal, P. Now he will take the money from the bank and he has to pay extra money, and he will keep that money for some time. Suppose for 1 year, he's that is 1 year he will keep that money, and extra he has to pay after 1 year. He has to pay extra money. So that is called interest to the bank. That is called interest. So amount is what he had to pay after the 1 year is amount equal to principal plus interest. That is amount, actual amount he has to pay, return back to the bank. That is amount. Principal what he had borrowed from the bank, that amount is called principal, and how many interest extra money he is giving to the bank, that is called interest. Okay. Now here they had given one example, that is Anita takes a loan of 5,000. Anita, she had taken a loan he had borrowed a money from bank, that is 5,000. So here 5,000 is principal. 5,000 is principal. Principal is 5,000 and at 15 percentage per year. For one interest is 15 percentage as a rate of interest. Rate of interest. As a rate of interest. Rate of interest. Find the interest. This is the rate of interest. Now we have to find out the interest. Amount. What is the amount? Actual amount. That is called interest, and this is rate of interest. So rate of interest is, so we will call it as R. R equal to 15 percentage. How much she has to pay at the end? So it will be P into P is 50,000. R is rate of interest. We will rate of interest, or we can simply say R. R is R is 15 percentage. So interest, or the total amount she has to pay to the bank is interest. Total amount is 15 divided by 100 into 5,000, that is equal to 750. So formula will be P into R by 100 equal to actual amount what she has to pay. If the same thing for multiple years, she had taken the interest for 1 year. If she would have taken for 3 years or like that. So the formula will be P interest equal to P into R into T by 100. Here T means time. So P equal to 5,000 into 15 into time, that is 3 years. T divided by 100. So it like this. So in next video I will explain the exercise 8.3. So this today for this is this video is till here only. If you like the video, please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.